Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Weather Forecast Center. Here to give you the latest on what is now Tropical Storm Francine. As of the 2 o'clock advisory, 1 o'clock central, its maximum sustained winds has increased to 60 miles an hour, and its movement is still to the north northwest at 5 miles an hour. Um, Tropical storm watches are in effect for coastal Mexico. Hurricane watches are in effect for far south Texas coast into very northern Mexico coast. Tropical storm watches in effect um, in this little narrow area in Texas. There's a hurricane watch for basically all of Louisiana's southern coast, and a tropical storm watch that goes into Lake Pontchartrain and the eastern side of Louisiana. So that is the current status of Tropical Storm Francine. Um, so let me go to. I'm doing this all on the fly, so just bear with me for a minute. Um, I just got home from work, so I'm just trying to give you an update. All right, so now we're going to take a look at the model guidance for Francine. Um, Starting with this is 18Z, which is 8 o'clock tonight. Its center is right here. That's Francine, and it's heading kind of this way. So as I move this forward, so we go to 12Z tomorrow. The pressure is now down to 999 millibars here off the Mexico coast. Still heading to the north at this point. As we continue forward, we'll go to 8 o'clock tomorrow night. More than likely, this will be a hurricane at this point, as it's a 992 millibar low off the Texas coast. Uh, Probably due east of Brownsville with this model run. So, and this is GFS, so that looks about right as far as placement is concerned with the current speed that's going. We will continue to move forward. We'll go to 12Z Wednesday morning. That'll be 8 a.m. Wednesday morning. And this hurricane is now down to a 978 and is approaching the Louisiana coast rather rapidly. So the weather will start going downhill starting Wednesday morning in Louisiana, possibly as early as midnight Tuesday night going into Wednesday. Um, the outer bands will be coming ashore. Now, I will point out in this area here, the tornado threat increases because of the spiraling bands coming on shore. So your tornado risk will start to increase Tuesday night going through Wednesday morning. As we go to, this is 2 p.m. Wednesday, is a 979 millbar hurricane just just about to make landfall in Louisiana. And again, in this region, your tornado threat increases with the spiraling bands coming around the storm. Anybody on the northeastern side of the storm, which we dub the dirty side of the storm, will be in Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, and parts of far western Florida Panhandle. So those will be the areas under the gun for uh, tornadoes going through Wednesday. As we go to Wednesday evening at 8 o'clock, is making landfall as a 9. Wow, looks like a 981. Looks like a 981 storm here into Louisiana. Okay? And anybody, again, on this side will run the risk of tornadoes. They will be shallow rooted, which means they are going to be low top supercells that come in with the spiraling bands of rain and storms around the hurricane. Will probably be a hurricane at this point. So where that black box is your tornado threat. Okay, so that is the latest. So we're by this run of the model expecting landfall around 3 p.m. 2 p.m. Central in Louisiana, probably in South Central Louisiana. So that is the current situation as of right now. I will be back with further updates. Until then, I hope everyone has a great rest of their Monday. If there's any significant changes, I will let you know via YouTube short. Until then, have a great day, and I will talk to you again soon.